and you will give your heart, automatically mind will go there. But you can give your mind, which way you give your mind, if not heart will go with that. Cannot differentiate.
You're always saying the Krishna consciousness is a heart-to-heart transaction. We don't understand.
But heart-to-heart, I am not told. It is not mentally coming. I am not told it. Mentally not coming, that I am not told. Heart-to-heart transaction means it is deepest way. We are doing transactions. But that not meanings coming, the mind not going there. Deepest transaction, that is heart to heart. If not their heart, only mind, no one can follow that. Must be with that heart. But sometimes we are not giving heart, but keeping some courtesy. That's through mind possible. But it is not transaction. It is following the courtesy. I am not involved there, but you are doing okay, you do that way. But first, it is coming to the heart, mind automatically will be involved there. Gopi's mind always extremely involved with Vrindavan situation and more superior than intellect, that is called Atma. If Atma means spirit, if not their spirit, eternal spirit,
Spirit, soul.
Spirit, soul, then everything is useless. That is, you will see the body, inside of the body, there everything was, but without spirit, soul, body is invalid.
Но еще выше разума стоит душа атма, выше будхи. И, например, когда эта атма, душа покидает тело, мы видим, что тело мертвое и безжизненно. То есть из этого следует, что когда душа покидает тело, то все остальное, ум, интеллект, разум, все это становится бесполезным.
Without spirit, brain not will work, eyes not will work, mind not will work. Everything is invalid without spirit. Then spirit or Atma, that is superior than everything. What is thinking?
Что вы думаете, Сань?
Действительно очень сложный механическим способом, но среди устройства Солнечной системы, что у нас вращается вокруг Земли, и она является спутником Земли. Но вот мне непонятно, каким образом можно достичь Луны механическим способом, не будучи готовым, или можно специально не для чего. То есть я бы хотела узнать именно о расположении Луны относительно Земли.
She says that if she knows, she wouldn't ask such a question. So she says that from her point of view, it's difficult because it is set in ancient scriptures, and she believes in these scriptures that they tell truth about the moon. In these scriptures, it is said that it is difficult to achieve the moon with the help of some mechanical equipment. But at the same time, she thinks that some evidences of modern science are also true. And she doesn't know, seems to her that there is some contradiction between modern science and ancient wisdom of Vedas. And that's why she asked Srila Guru Maharaj about it.
Good. Actually, your speculation is proper. The moon had our scientist sending the person, that is a land, and moon's position within the mind. When it is mind position, there without Punna, no one can enter. Mind so faster can go. And every higher minds have entrance. Then representing moon, the mind. And there, if anyone wants to enter, he must control their mind. And that way they can go to mental world. And that moon is not this moon. But this moon, called moon, that is character of mind and character of this moon, similar. We can see it in the night and full moon in the roof and winter and full moon there, moon effect will be double in our body. And it is proved, I have seen, and I cannot stay in the night with full moon. And its effect coming my body very quick, and I am getting sick. Then I cannot enjoy with full moon. Then it is true that moon's position and mind position is very nearest position.
Closely related.
Very closely related. Not only that, as giving full nourishment to sun, there also moons will give nourishment, but not the person full nourishment giving to the plants.
Plant species.
The sun gives.
Moon giving nourishment to the plants. Naturally it is, but some of plant getting more nourishment from sun, like lotus.
What is punya? You mentioned
Piety.
Piety.
Piety and the Pitri Lok, it's called Pitri Lok, moon
Is known as Pitri.
known as Pitri Lok, and that is existing in the mind. And for that, maybe Prabhupada said it, the what existing within mind, that is not this moon. I think so he not make clear.
No, he didn't clarify this point that you just made.
If he make it clear, that was good, but he not make clear. Prabhupada not make it clear. But this is clear thing, the moon existing within mind, and moon's lok means plane of the moon, it is Pitri Lok. It's called Pitri Lok. That is inherited যেটা মানে পরম্পরা, physical inheritation. Physical inheritation, what is the meaning? It is correct, I think so. Physically inheritation, inherited.
Inherit physical qualities from the moon.
No, P3 knows.
It's where the forefathers go. Where our
But
ancestors.
that forefather means physical, that also.
Yeah.
An inheritation.
Inheritance. We inherit.
Inheritance, forefather,
Yeah.
and representing within mind that plane. And that moon is not this moon. In Jyotish Shastra, in astrology, they have told it, yeah, moon representing mind, and mind going to moon. Very close. And sun representing Atma. It is Jyotish Shastra, astrology. Sun representing Atma, moon representing mind. Then mind is so faster, can go everywhere. And symbol of mind, it is moon. And that moon is not this moon. Prabhupada wants to say maybe this, but not clarify. If there is mind without offense, that is best. Maybe beads or not, that is not good thing. But with beads it's more fruitful, that is touching the tulasi and chanting, then it is giving more good nourishment.
Если вы с полным вниманием воспеваете Святое Имя, то это очень хорошо, независимо от того, без оскорблений. Это хорошо, независимо от того, делаете ли вы это джапом или без. Но в любом случае использование четок это более благоприятно, поскольку мы касаемся во время перечитывания здесь, мы касаемся туласи, и у нас есть возможность для большей концентрации. Поэтому повторение на джапа-мане, оно более хорошо. Not everyone has beads made of tools.
Yes, but it is true, but if Guru will give as Tulasi, that also can take form by the power of Guru as Tulasi. Everything existing within mind. And mind going to Atma. Understand? Explain to me.
Если гуру дает ученику четко, пусть они не сделаны из дерева туласи, но он принимает их, и то есть они равнозначны для них четками, которые действительно сделаны из туласи. Поскольку все зависит от настроения самого ученика, все существует в уме, а ум восходит к Атме, в душе. Поэтому
And Atma means consciousness.
Атма означает сознание.
Then, if you are conscious about your beings and they are Guru given consciousness, that taken form of Tulsi.
Когда гуру дает вам, все живет на сознании, и сознание стоит выше всего. И когда вы с должным сознанием берете четко, данные вам гуру, то они становятся для вас четкими, сделанными из священного дерева туласи. Даже если как бы, ну, физически, материально это не так.
Understand? Everything existing within consciousness.
Все зависит, все существует в мире сознания. То есть сознание стоит на первом месте. Надо взглянуть.
You are conscious about your Guru, then what he will give, that will come in conscious level.
То, что дает вам гуру, это приходит опять же на плане сознания. То есть вы сознательно воспринимаете то, что дает, то, что, чему учит вас ваш учитель.
We are seeing the beauty of the body.
Мы можем видеть красоту тела.
But where is beauty if you want to dissection where you not will see anything there beauty. Understand?
If you dissect the body,
Beautiful face. We are telling beautiful face. You explain and I say.
If you dissect the body, then
if you say this face, his face is very beautiful face. Where is beauty? Which way you will understand? If you go to dissection in the laboratory, dissection,
looking for
can you
beauty.
see their beauty?
Да.
И, например, мы можем сказать о ком-то, что, допустим, что это тело прекрасно, но если мы, или о лице какого-то человека, что у него чудесное, красивое лицо, но в лаборатории, если мы как бы будем там
Then
производить
beauty living within mind.
то вряд ли это тело покажется нам таким красивым. То есть, как бы красота в действительности это как бы концепция красоты, которая живет в уме. То есть все зависит от ума.
And consciousness is main thing. And if it is within living consciousness, then everything is auspicious.
Все живет в мире сознания и
And if it is within living consciousness, then everything is auspicious, even more than beauty. Beautiful plus many other things.
We are telling this is very beautiful. Where is beauty? If we dissection in laboratory, there we shall see some blood. Inside of the blood, there is some what do you call it? DNA or many things. But that way we cannot search beauty. There is another process to search the beauty. It's come into the mind. And mind getting pleasant, then beauty coming. But there are also different type of mind situation. And one owl will see beauty in the face of his son and daughter. Owl.
A bird, it flies in the night. In the nighttime, these birds. Owl. In the night, that bird is seen in the dark. No.
And what is
That owl will see his son or daughter is very beautiful.
Owl not will see your son and daughter is beautiful. Owl will see his son and daughter is beautiful.
Beauty is in the eye of the beholder.
And beauty existing within mind. Understand? Like that, the Harinam and Tulasi existing within consciousness. It is coming from Guru and it is transformed in consciousness. It is transmitted, conscious to consciousness.